Children, already we have seen what is digestive system, how is the digestive system is functioning. Then we have read tasting part. Now we are going to read the digestive system part. Okay, and then apart from that we are going to read if we fall in sick, what are the things we are going to do, those things and all. Okay, take your book, take your EVS book, open and take page number 27. See here, straight from the heart. Where do you think the food must be going after you put it in your mouth and swallow it? In the picture given here, draw the path of the food through your body. Share your picture with your friends. Do all of you have similar pictures? Yeah, we have drawn already like digestive system. See here, in the mouth, into the mouth we are going to eat the food. Then the food is going to the which way it's going? Through the food pipe. Then this is also we have to say esophagus. Okay, then it goes to the stomach. Then stomach's making some digestion and then sent to the food liver. Liver has some food pipe here, like a food pipe continuation. Then through the valves it's sending to the large intestine. Okay, that large intestine inside only we have small intestine. So after that the large intestine fully digest all those food coming out from the stomach. Remaining those unwasted food of our body, that everything stored in small intestine. Then through the rectum and the anus we are disposed our wastage unwanted food. Okay students, see, how do you feel when you are very hungry? How would you describe it? For example, sometimes we jokingly say, I am so hungry, I could eat an elephant. I was too angry. If you give an elephant, I am ready to eat. Like that. ரொம்ப பசியோட இருக்கேன், ஒரு புளிய கொடுத்தா கூட நான் என்ன பண்ணிடுவேன், சாப்பிடுவேன். Like that you have talked with your mom or else with your friends. No, those things. See the second one. How do you come to know that you are hungry? How do you know you are in hungry? Think what would happen if you do not eat anything for 2 days. You didn't eat past 2 days. Say, how do you feel that? I feel some illness. I don't have any energy. Like that I will feel. Okay. Would you be able to manage without drinking water for 2 days? You don't take any waters also. Where do you think the water that we drink goes? If you, for example, if you drink continuously water only, liquid items only, not for solid items, I mean food. Okay, then where it goes? Into your stomach only. Okay, see here. When I'm hungry, my headache. When I have a headache, I feel hungry. I get angry easily when I am hungry. This is the feeling of them. When I am angry, I feel tired. Sorry, hungry, I feel tired. When my sister is hungry, she cries. Yeah, the little baby child, adult, everything. If they have a hungry, how do they feel? They will feel cry. I cry too when I'm hungry. The dogs also, I to myself. I feel more hungry, I will cry. But if I feel a little bit angriness by the time, that time also I will feel hungry. For example, she has some illness. Okay, she has some illness. Her name is Nitu. What she has taking now? Glucose drip. Why we are getting a glucose drip? If we have a fever for 2-3 days more than, we will feel too tired for the briskiness and we need some energy. That's why we are taking the glucose drip. See here, Nitu was given a glucose drip. Nitu was very sick. all day. She was vomiting and she also had loose motion. Whatever she ate, she vomited. அப்படி என்ன சாப்பிட்டாங்க? Her father gave her sugar and salt solution, that is ORS liquid. By evening, Nitu was feeling weak and dizzy. When she got up to go to the doctor, she fainted. Her father had to carry her to the doctor. The doctor said that Nitu should get admitted in the hospital. She needs to be given a glucose drip. Hearing this, Nitu got confused. She knew that during the games period in school, the teacher gives glucose drip. Dr. Auntie explained, your stomach is upset. Your body is not keeping any food and water, and it has become very weak. The glucose drip will give you some strength quickly even without eating. So what is the purpose we are taking the glucose drip? The glucose drip will give you some strength quickly even without eating. Talk and discuss with your friends. Do you remember that in class 4th you made a solution sugar and salt? Yeah, sugar and salt both also soluble item. And ORS means for its relief matter for vomiting continuously and loose motion drink. Okay, Nitu's father also made this and gave her. Why do you think this is given to someone who has vomiting and loose motion? What is the reason? She is asking to his father. நம்ம ஏன் இதெல்லாம் கொடுக்கணும் ORS liquid? Because of when we take this, it's giving some strength and it's control and dump the vomiting continuously and loose motion too. Okay, so that's why we are taking the glucose. Have you heard the word glucose or seen it written anywhere? Where? In the hospital, medical, and during the playing games. Continuously, if they have games or participation anything, the sportsman, the sports coaches, everybody gives to the people glucose only. Why they are giving that one? Because of it gives some strength to them. That's why. Have you ever tasted glucose? Yeah, I have tasted. It is sweet only. How does it taste? Sweet. Tell your friends. If you didn't eat, ask to your father or your mother. We can get that from medical shops. Have you or anyone in your family been given a glucose drip? When and why? Tell the class about it. Yeah, my grandma and myself, I got the glucose drip. When during my school days, I got the glucose drip because of my fever, too heavy fever, and I had a stomach upset. That's why I have taken glucose drip. Nitu's teacher used to tell the girls to have glucose while playing hockey. Why do you think she did this? Yeah, it gives some energy, so that only. Look at Nitu's picture and describe what is happening. How is the glucose drip is being given? Glucose drip we have to give in like a glucose bottle. Through that we have to send the glucose everything in a liquid form. Then it's being a strip, like a strip. Then it's taken very well. Okay. Martin's window. Here's an old story. It seems so funny. There was a window. It's in Martin's tummy. Where is the tummy means our fat, toppa. Actually, by mistake, Martin was shot right in the stomach. It bled a lot. The wound slowly healed and was covered by skin. Yeah, if you have any wound on your skin, it's to be a cracking of two skins. It will automatically tide after recovering of a wound. But the hole was still there. You could peep right in. Oh, what a chance. Did you notice anywhere? You have a severe wound in your hand. You didn't put any stitches on that. At last, after drying of a wound, after recovering of a wound, you can get you don't have any pain in that. We can peel that. Is it? Like that only they are saying. What happens to the food inside the body? The story seems odd, but it's really true. The secret of Martin's stomach helped us all, me and you. It's just a poem, not for that much things. Okay, that is stomach with a window. See here. In the poem, you read about a soldier. That soldier name is Martin. In 1822, he was 18 years old and was very healthy. When he was shot, he got seriously hurt. Shot means gun shoot. At the time, Dr. Beaumont was called to treat him. Who is the doctor name? Beaumont. Dr. Beaumont cleaned the wound and put the dressing. Yeah, even though if you have any wound, suddenly our mom or else father, they will make some, using the first aid, they are giving some first aid for us, dressing also. After 1.5 years, the doctor found that Martin's wound had healed except for one thing. He had a big hole in his stomach. The hole was covered with a loose flap of skin, like a washer in a football. Press the skin and you could peep into Martin's stomach. Not only that, the doctor could also take out the food from the stomach by putting a tube in the hole. Dr. Beaumont felt he had found a treasure. Can you guess how much time he spent on doing different experiments on the stomach? 9 years. During this time, Martin grew up and got married. At the time, scientists did not know how food was digested. In ancient days, they don't know how is that food is digesting in our body. They thought we have a digestive juices in the stomach. For the digestive juices only help the digestion parts in our body. Does it only help in making the food wet and soft? Yeah, what is the help of a digestive juices? It's making our body wet and soft only. Or does it help in your digestion? Yeah, maybe the digestive juices also help the digestion. Then Dr. Beaumont took some liquid means juices, out of the stomach. He wanted to see what would happen to a food item kept in a glass filled with it. Would it get digested on its own? For this, he did an experiment. With the help of a tube, he took out some digestive juice from the stomach. At 8:30 a.m., he put 20 tiny pieces of boiled fish in 10 milliliters of the juice. So fish also how? It's to be boiled. He kept the glass at the same temperature as that of our stomach, about 30 degrees Celsius. When he checked at 2 p.m., he found that the pieces of fish had dissolved. The pieces of fish also how? What is happening? Dissolved. Karaigapattathu. Dr. Beaumont tried this experiment with different food items. He gave Martin the same food at the same time and then compared how long it takes for food to be digested in the glass and in Martin's stomach, where they are getting the research using the Martin's stomach. He recorded his observation in a table. See what is the table is telling to us. Unboiled milk. For a milk, how many times it's taken? 2 hours 50 minutes. Okay, in a glass 4 hours 45 minutes. So what is the time of our digestion for that? 4 hours 45 minutes. Boiled milk 2 hours. 4 hours 15 minutes. Full boiled egg 3 hours 30 minutes. 8 hours. But now half boiled egg 3 hours. 6 hours 30 minutes for the digestion. Raw egg and beaten 2 hours. But taking digestion in a glass with digestive juices 4 hours 15 minutes. Raw egg 1 hour 30 minutes. But using the digestive juices 4 hours. So like that each and every food item, it has taken some time. So what does our stomach do? Dr. Beeman did many experiments and found out many secrets about digestion. He found that food digests faster in the stomach than outside. Did you notice? This is in the table. Yeah, juices helps the digestion very fast in the stomach. Our stomach churns the food to digest it. Churns means the doctor also saw that the food did not digest properly when Martin was sad. He also found that the juice in our stomach is acidic. Acid. I said no. We have a juice in that acid. What is the acid is running in our body? Hydrochloric acid. HCl. What is that? HCl. Have you heard of anyone talking about acidity? Yeah, we have somebody say, I have acidity. Even though in our advertisements also we have seen acidity. Okay, you just take Gelusil, like the somewhat syrup and acidity. Yeah, like that we have seen lot of ads. Those things only. Especially when that person has not eaten well or the food is not digested properly. Doctor, when we have acidity problem, the person has not eaten well or the food is not digested properly. Dr. Beeman experiments became famous across the world. After this, many scientists did many such experiments. What did you say? No, they did not shoot people in the stomach. No, did they wait for a patient with a hole in the stomach? They used other scientific ways to look inside our bodies. Did you like the story of Martin, or should we say the story of our own stomach? Did you like the story of Martin? Yes, I like the story of Martin. What is your answer? Just right. Think and discuss. Imagine if you had been in a place of Dr. Beeman. What experiments would you have done to find out the secrets of our stomach? Write about your experiments. Regarding to the digestion, what is the experiment you want to do? Just along with Beeman, you have to do. The next one, good food, good health. What is the thing if we eat very good for our health? Okay, see, they are the Rashmi and Kailas. There are two children are here. So just what is the doctor is saying about them? Just we will see that. What is there? Dr. Aparna has two patients, Rashmi and Kailash. Dr. Aparna talked to them to find out more about them. Read what the doctor found. Rashmi. First of all, we see the Rashmi. Rashmi was 5 years old. She looks about 3 years old. She has very thin arms and legs and a pot belly, stomach like a balloon. She often falls sick. She always feels tired and cannot go to school regularly. She does not have the strength even to play. Yeah, while see the pig, what is the thing? She is very weak. Food. She is lucky if she can get a little rice or one roti to eat in the whole day. One roti only she can eat whole day. Sorry. See here. Kailash, 7 years old boy. He looks older than his age. He is looking like 10 years boy. His body is fat and flappy. He has pain in his legs. He is not very active. He goes to school by bus and spends many hours watching TV. Food. He does not like to eat home cooked food like dal, rice, vegetables and roti. The only thing he finds tasty are chips, burger, pizzas and soft drinks from the market. Dr. Aparna measured these are what? Good food or unhealthy food? Unhealthy foods. Dr. Aparna measured the height and weight of both the children. Then she told them, there is only the one treatment for both your problems, proper food. If we eat proper food, we don't have any problem in our body. Why do you think Rashmi could eat only one roti in the whole day? Because she is not eating well and she is poor. Do you think Kailash would you like games and sports? No, he doesn't like anything. What do you understand by proper food? Proper means a healthy food and good food. What do you think that the food of Rashmi and Kailash was not proper? Yeah, both of them was not proper in their food items and their activities also. Talk with your grandparents or elderly people and find out what they ate and what work they did when they were of your age. Yeah, ancient, olden people, they can live above 80 years something. We can't live that much. We didn't eat that much good food. We are eating nowadays burger, pizza, that unhealthy food items only we are eating now. We should take more vegetables and a little rice and grams, okay, millets like that we have to eat. If we eat like this, we will get good body, healthy body. Now think about yourself, your daily activities and daily diet. Are these similar or different from what your grandparents didn't eat? No, they didn't eat that much. Proper food, every child's right. You have read about two children. One is Kailash, who does not like homemade food. Yeah, the homemade food, who didn't like that? Kailash. The other one is Rashmi, who doesn't like even get one proper meal a day. Yeah, she doesn't eat proper meal on one day. She can eat one roti only whole day. About half the children in our country like Rashmi. They do not get enough food that they need to grow and develop properly. These children are weak and sickly, often ill in poor health. But it is the right of every child to get proper food. So what is the right of every child? Taking proper food. Read about this story in Kalahandi district in Odisha. What is the story? Let's see. Gomti is 30 years old. Gomti works in the fields of a rich farmer. For all her hard work, she gets paid very little. So little that she cannot even buy enough rice to feed her family. Some months she does not get any work at all. Yeah, the daily wages can't get work properly. Then she has to eat leaves and roots from the jungle. Gomti's children are weak with hunger and always sick. Few years ago, her husband died of hunger. Hunger means pasile. Most rice grows in Kalahandi district. Rice is even sent to other states from here. Many times the rice that keeps lying in the godowns gets spoiled. In the same Kalahandi, there are many poor people like Gomti. Why do people die of hunger in such a place? What do you think about that? Yeah, because of the society, the rich man, that they are rights, they are dominations only. Many of the people in the North Indias, they were hunger. It's my opinion. What is your opinion? Just describe it. What we have learned. Why can you not taste food proper when you have a cold? Yeah, when we have a cold, we couldn't get the taste of exactly from the food. If we were to say that digest begins in the mouth, how would you explain this? Right. How it is the beginning in the from the mouth? You just describe it. Okay, students, read the lesson well. It will help you for your higher studies. Higher classes. Just don't be omit that. Read well. Is there any doubt? You can ask in this group. Thank you, students.